Hey, John Stokes here from Stokes Personal Injury Attorneys. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between rural and urban accidents. In the rural areas, accidents actually tend to be more fatal than they are in urban areas. And the reason behind this is such things as high rates of speed, the distance between the emergency room and where the accident happens tends to be greater. According to ChatGPT, Alabama had about 967 fatal accidents in 2024. And of those 967, about 58% were in rural areas. So as you can see, that just shows you how much more dangerous a rural accident can be than an urban accident. In urban areas, you tend to have more accidents due to the amount of population that's in that area. Also with urban areas, the accidents tend to be less severe, less catastrophic than rural areas. The reason behind that is you have a lot of traffic control devices. The amount of people on the roads typically prevents you from getting to speeds, which would cause a catastrophic accident. Those are some of the differences between rural and urban accidents, but how these affect what the value of your case is obviously in rural areas, if you have an accident and it's catastrophic, your bills are going to be higher, your injuries are going to be more severe. So what are the legal challenges for rural areas? You have fewer witnesses, limited or no traffic cameras, police may take longer to get to the accident, proving fault can be more difficult because you have fewer witnesses and fewer traffic cameras, and typically in rural areas, the rate of insurance coverage is a lot less. So you get in accidents with people that may not have insurance coverage. Some of the challenges for an urban area accident, there can be a lot of parties involved. If you have one of these intersection accidents where it's not just one car versus one car, but you have one car that hits another car and backs into another car. Commercial vehicles and rideshare complications can also come up. Everybody has Uber and Lyft now in their city. These Uber and Lyft drivers, if they hit you while transporting a passenger, Uber and Lyft have their own insurance policies versus the person that was driving. He may have a personal insurance policy that may not afford coverage because he was driving for Uber and Lyft. So that can kind of complicate things if you're in an accident in urban areas. So if you're in a rural accident, what you need to do is make sure you take pictures and videos of the accident scene with your cell phone. If there is any witnesses, get their information so that you have it when you provide it to your attorney. In an urban area, if you're in an accident, go around and check with the businesses in the local area if it was at an intersection, see if anybody has any cameras or cam footage of the accident occurring. So if you're in an accident, whether rural or in an urban area, give us a call at Stokes at 334-316-4123 or visit our website at www.stokestimley.com.